Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware, cables, Wi-Fi switch, and adapter LEDs so you aren't chasing software first. Once done, open Device Manager and Choose View, then show hidden devices to reveal ghost entries. Next, expand network adapters and run scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to rediscover present hardware. If you see a grade or missing adapter entry, don't panic. Make a note of its name and status, so you can target driver and stack repairs in the next steps. Now you address drivers and the network stack. You should uninstall any problematic adapter entries and check delete the driver software when prompted. Restart to let Windows attempt reinstallation. If that fails, download the exact OEM driver and install it manually, or use Update Driver and pick the correct driver file. Once drivers are handled, open an elevated command prompt and run netch winsock reset and netch int IP reset, and optionally netcog-d to rebuild the stack. These clear corrupted config and often restore missing adapters. Finish by rebooting the system at least once to let all changes take effect. Then confirm the adapter isn't disabled in BIOS or UEFI. Make sure essential services like network connections, DHCP client, and plug and play are running so Windows can enumerate hardware. If the adapter still doesn't appear, try a system restore to a point when networking worked or test with a USB Wi-Fi dongle to isolate hardware failure. One key tip: double-check the physical kill switch or airplane mode. It's an easy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.